All right, we are on our final day of DGP for this week in this sentence. We're still using the same sentence, dust covers a butterfly's wings. So on the final day of DGP, we are going to diagram our sentence. So we look at our second slide. We can see that a diagram has already been created for us, and we just have to put in the words dust and covers. So if you look at your DGP reference materials, or what we're calling the Big Scary Packet in school, these first two lines are going to be really important to help us do this. So the first bullet point says put the subject or subjects on the left side of the plus sign. So let's click back over here. This horizontal line going all the way across, as well as this vertical line cutting through it, represents the plus sign that we're separating the subject and predicate on. So let's refresh our memories. The subject goes on the left side of the plus sign, and then we're going to put the verb or verbs on the right side of the plus sign. So subject on the left, verb or verbs on the right. So luckily, we kind of separated this into subject and predicate earlier in the week when we did that on Tuesday. And we found, let's just go ahead and open our Tuesday one. We would have found that dust was our subject. Remember, we underlined that one time. And then covers a butterfly's wings would have been our predicate. So if dust is our subject, it is going to go on the left side of our diagram, that plus sign. So you can just click on that text box and drag it up like I just did. So dust is our subject, and that leaves covers as our verb, which we determined on Monday was our action verb, or was an action verb, excuse me. And then on Tuesday, we discovered, that covers was part of our predicate, meaning it was part of the verb. So we'll just move covers right up to the right side of that plus sign. So just as a reminder, once you are done diagramming the sentence, if you've chosen to do it using the Google slide here, you're just going to hit share up in the top right, and you will type my name in, Kay Forsman, or you can just type Katie F, and I'll be the first one that comes up. Okay? All right, I wish you all best of luck, and have a great day.